Hello everybody, I am Kiran Kumar, your physics lecturer. Today topic is mutual induction of the coil. Welcome to my channel Nature of Physics. Please watch my previous video about the self induction of the coil, then you can easily understand the mutual induction of the coil. I will give the link in the description. Now mutual induction, the phenomena of production of induced EMF in a coil due to the change in magnetic flux in the neighboring coil is called mutual induction. See, step by step I will explain to you. So this is the primary circuit and this is the secondary circuit. In the primary circuit, current is I1, the current is changing, then magnetic flux also change in the primary circuit and that link with the secondary circuit. So the linked magnetic flux is phi2 with the secondary circuit. So the direction of the magnetic flux is in anti-clockwise direction because of here the current change in the primary circuit, and primary circuit this is act as a north pole and this is act as a south pole. Magnetic lines releases from the north and enter towards the south. Okay, whenever magnetic flux link with the secondary circuit, EMF induced in the secondary circuit, and N2 is the number of turns in the secondary circuit. Okay, so the flux is always directly proportional to the current because of here current changes, then magnetic flux link with the coil also changes. So the flux is phi2, that current is I1, and here N2 phi2 which is directly proportional to the I1. Here N2 is the number of turns in the secondary circuit and N2 phi2 which is equal to M21. M21 is the coefficient of mutual induction of second coil with respect to first coil. Coefficient of mutual induction of second coil with respect to first coil. Now here I am considering current I2 in the secondary circuit. Okay, first in the primary circuit, now in the secondary circuit, and here current is change, then magnetic flux also change. That magnetic flux link with the primary circuit, that flux is considering phi1 and the direction is in anti-clockwise direction. N1 is the number of turns in the primary circuit. So this is the primary circuit. So always flux is directly proportional to the current. So current is I2, flux is phi1. So N1 phi1 is also directly proportional to the I2. So N1 phi1 which is equal to M12 I2. So M12 is the coefficient of mutual induction of first coil with respect to second coil. Okay, so from these two equations we can write commonly N phi which is equal to Mi. M is the coefficient of mutual induction. So here according to the Faraday second law, so EMF induced in the coil which is equal to negative rate of change of magnetic flux, that is minus d by dt of N phi, but N phi is equal to Mi, then EMF induced in the coil minus d by dt into Mi. Okay, so here E which is equal to minus M di by dt, minus is here opposite direction. So next M which is equal to E divided by di divided by dt. Okay, so here if I is equal to 1 ampere in a time t is equal to 1 second, so M which is equal to coefficient of mutual induction is equal to EMF induced in the coil, and SI units of M is Henry, indicator letter H, and another units of mutual induction, coefficient of mutual induction is Weber per ampere. Weber per ampere. These are the units for the coefficient of mutual induction. Okay, I will continue with the application of the mutual induction, that is coaxial solenoid.